Welcome to day 4 of the Gilligan Group Home Seller Bootcamp, prepping your home for listing photos. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jennifer. According to the National Association of Realtors, 93% of buyers are first seeing your home online, which has probably increased since real estate has gone virtual.
That means the quality of your home photos is critical. One way we help our clients achieve this is through the use of a professional photographer, a service we provide to all our clients.
But before those photos are snapped, your house has to be prepped and ready. Today, we're sharing a sneak peek of our go-to checklist that we share with all of our sellers to help them prep for listing photos.
Open all the blinds and curtains. Clear off the countertops of small appliances, mail, cords, and clutter, but make sure not to leave them completely bare. You want your house to say, "Welcome," but not, "We obviously live here."
Clear off your dressers, nightstands, and tables. Only leave a few small accessories like a lamp, small tray, or a book or two. Bring symmetry to your bedroom with lamps anchoring both sides of the bed. Add a hint of greenery and get a neutral duvet cover.
Store all charging cords and cables. Use baskets and storage containers to keep things hidden but looking good. Turn off TVs and computer screens.
Replace family photos with artwork. Try searching on Minted or Etsy for inexpensive prints. Think botanicals, landscape scenes, or interiors. Fluff couch pillows and turn on every lamp and light.
Clear the driveway, including vehicles. Refresh landscaping, pull weeds, water flowers, fill in bare spots.
Close the garage doors, hide garbage cans inside and out.
Thanks for tuning in to the 4th day of our Home Seller Bootcamp.
Don't forget to request our free Home Seller Bootcamp E-Guide for the entire list of prepping your house for listing photos checklist.
All you have to do is comment below or send us a DM to get your copy.
See you tomorrow to dive into our 3-step process for making your house shine for showings.